Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you open your workbook. Open your workbook, volume 2, page number 43. Open your workbook, volume 2, page number 43. First answer I did not give, no? How many tentacles does an octopus have? Octopus have 8 tentacles. Octopus has 8 tentacles. Okay, write down. Write down the first answer. Octopus has 8 tentacles. Octopus has 8 tentacles. Complete your notes, Nana. Complete your first answer. Complete your first answer. Next. Octopus has 8 tentacles. Next. Fill in the blanks. Remaining 4 answers I gave now already. I gave now? Very good. Next. Fill in the blanks. First one. Crabs have dash bodies. Crabs have flattened bodies. Flattened. Write down. Flattened bodies. Flattened bodies. Next. Baby sharks are called dash. Baby sharks are called pups. Baby sharks are called pups. School means a group of fish. Write down fish. School ante not only learning place but also school means a fish, a group of fish. Group of fish is called school. అన్ని ఫిష్ లో ఒక దగ్గరగా కలిసి ఉంటే దాన్ని స్కూల్ అంటారు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. Angler fish uses its dash to catch other fish. They use antenna. They use antenna are called lure. Its name is lure. Antenna is called as lure. Angler fish use antenna to catch other fishes. Next. Dolphins communicate through dash and dash. Dolphins communicate through whistles and sounds. Through sounds and whistles are whistles and sounds. No sounds and whistles. Right on. Complete fill in the blanks. Complete soul. alphabet zone. Next, take next page. Take a next page. Put L for land animals and A for aquatic animals. L for land animals, A for aquatic animals. Amma, horse. Horse is a land animal or aquatic animal? It's a land animal. Aquatic animal అంటే ఏమని చెప్పాను? Aquatic animals means water animal. మరి horse water animal? No. Land animal లో keep L. Keep L. First one is L. Keep capital L, Nana. Here, capital L keep. Next, this is the whale. Is the aquatic animal. Means water animal. Keep A. A. Next, tiger is the land animal. Keep L. Capital L. Next, shrimp. Shrimp is the aquatic animal, no? Keep A. Capital A. Keep capital A or a capital L. Here, capital A means aquatic animal. This is the shark. It is also a aquatic animal. A keep aquatic animal. Aquatic animal. A. Pig is the land animal. L. Keep L. Crab. Crab is also the aquatic animal. Keep A. Aquatic animal. A peacock. Peacock is a land animal, no? Keep L. Capital L. Keep a capital L. Next, zebra. Zebra is also a land animal. Keep L. Capital L. Keep a capital L. Next, octopus is also a aquatic animal. Keep A. Capital A. Next, ostrich. Ostrich is a land animal. Land bird. Which is the largest bird in the world is ostrich. Okay? It is a land bird. Keep L. L. Seahorse. Seahorse is the aquatic animal. Isn't it? Keep A. Keep A. Take a next page. Take a next page. Solve the crossword puzzle about aquatic animals with the help of the given words. Then fill in the blanks using the word formed at 9. Here, you must write the name of the given picture. Here the picture is given. What is this picture? What is this aquatic animal? The aquatic animal cheppanana. That what is this, sir? This is water animal only. But what is its name? It's seahorse, no? Write down seahorse. Here, the seahorse name also given. Seahorse name. Write down first one is seahorse. Write down seahorse. First one is seahorse. Next, what is this? This is a quid. Quid. Second one is quid. Squid. S-Q-U-I-D. Squid. It is also one type of fish. Squid is one type of water animal. Water fish. Okay? Water animal. Next, third one is the octopus now. Third one is octopus. Complete. O-C-T-O-P-U-S. octopus. Next, do you know that? What is this? Fourth one. Starfish. Fourth one is? It is like a star, no? That is a starfish. Starfish. Next. What is the fifth one? Crab. C-R-A-B. Crab. Fifth one is crab. Crab spelling also there. C-R-A-B. Crab. Next. Sixth one is fish. Sixth one is fish. Fish. Seventh one is snail. Actually, seventh one is snail, but one more name is mollusk. One more name is mollusk for the snail. Okay, we have to write one more name. M-O-L-L-U-S-E, mollusk. Write the name of. Actually, it is a snail only, but we have to write the one more name of snail, that is a mollusk. Next, last one is, what is this? Shrimp. What is that? Shrimp. S-H-R-I-M-P. Shrimp. This is the seahorse. This is squid. It's octopus. It is starfish. It's crab. It is fish. It is mollusk, and it is the shrimp. Complete. And now write the letters which are in yellow box. Yellow box. The letters which are in yellow box. What are the letters? ఇక్కడ yellow box లో ఉన్న లెటర్స్ ఏంటి చూడండి రా. The 9 letters are there in yellow box. Here A, Q, U, A, R, I, U, M. A, Q, U, A, R, I, U, M. What is that? Aquarium. Right here. Aquarium, read it. Aquarium is a small tank or bowl in which fish or other water animals are kept. మీ ఇంట్లో aquarium ఉందా? ఉందారా? కొంతమంది తన ఇళ్ళలోనే వాటర్ యానిమల్స్ని పెంచేస్తుంటారు. ఓకేనా? అలాంటి వాళ్ళు ఏం చేస్తారంటే ఒక చిన్న గ్లాస్ బౌల్ లాంటివి తీసుకుని వచ్చి అందులో వాటర్ పోసి వాటర్ యానిమల్స్ని వేస్తారంట. ఫిష్ లాంటివి వేసి వాళ్ళ ఇంట్లలో పెంచేస్తుంటారు. ఓకే, ఆ బాక్స్ అంటే గ్లాసు, ఆ గ్లాస్లో వాటర్ పోసి మన ఫిషెస్ని వాటర్ యానిమల్స్ని టేమ్ చేయడాన్ని aquarium అంటారు. ఇట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ aquarium. The water pot is called the aquarium. Small tank or bowl, water bowl, which is used to keep the aquatic animals is called a aquarium. మీ ఇంట్లో aquarium ఉందా లేదా? మన స్కూల్లో ఉందా aquarium? ఉంది. ఉందా మన స్కూల్లో? ఉంది. చూడలేరా? మన స్కూల్లో ఉంది aquarium. Aquarium is a small water pot which is used to tame the water animals. Okay? Complete. Next, take next page. Oh, next page. Workbook is completed, no, Nana? Open your activity book. Open your activity book, page number 52. Open your activity book, page number 52. Many aquatic animals are playing in the water, identify and color them. Here some of the water animals are there. Here some of the water animals are there, no? We must to color them. What we have to do? We have to color the water animals. Water animals మాత్రమే మీరు కలర్ చేయండి. Okay? Text. Next, here whale, dolphin, starfish, crab, seahorse, eel, shark, octopus, anglerfish, jellyfish. These words are given now. These words are hidden in the puzzle, in the box, in the griddle. So identify the words and circle them. Okay. Next, rearrange the jumbled letters and paste the corresponding stickers. Here first rearrange. What is this? CBRA. This is the one of the. This is the name of one of what animal? CBRA is one of the water animal name. What is a water animal? Crab. 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 SPMRIH. This is the name of the water animal of shrimp. 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 Next, WELHA. That is a whale. 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 SKHRA. That is shark. 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 DNOLIHP. This is dolphin. 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 Next, OSPUCOT. This is octopus. 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 Okay. Here you must to complete the notes, complete the jumble words. Then our pictures are given at the picture page. This is a picture page now. At the sticker page, the pictures of those are there. Shrimp is there, crab is there, octopus is there, whale is there, dolphin is there, shark is there. Here the aquatic animals are there now. What we have to do? We have to paste here. Okay? At the sticker page, the different aquatic animals are there now. వాటిని మీరు ప్లగ్ చేసి ఇక్కడ పేస్ట్ చేయండి. ఓకే, టుడేస్ క్లాస్ ఇస్ కంప్లీటెడ్. బాయ్.